Qatar. Okay. Launching rocket. And how this looks? How this works? Nepal's first rocket. And can you demonstrate this one? This impure blood. Wow, thank you. And what? Nepal's first rocket. This is volcanic eruption. Hey, wow. I completed it. What's that? Make it one here. No, no, no. Can you show your drawing?